Hi guys, this is Ruben from Your Wizard. I'm sorry, I just couldn't resist not implementing the features that were missing. So I actually resubmitted 121 C and I submitted 121D that has what I'm about to show you. Okay, so actually I was testing before making the video, so let me erase this. New avatar. We actually have a recipe already created to use it just to speed things up. Okay, so let's start. So yeah, create a Yuma environment. I added a slot that should arrive with 121D to you. It's a very awful mesh, but it's supposed to be a gun holster. So yeah, I know it's not supposed to be like nice. I'm sure you guys can do stuff better. It was supposed to be something really fast for testing. There's actually something interesting. I'm gonna make the Blender file available via the forum because what is interesting from the gun holster, you'll see it in a moment, is that I actually using a custom bone to align the gun, but we'll discuss that later. Okay, so now we've got things set up. So what I wanted to finish was actually to be able to create all the avatar features from the create menu and not necessarily from the edit menu. So yeah, let's create one. Actually, let's first create the scene. Yeah, there's the scene, and let's add the gun that we have been using a lot. Okay, we've got the gun here, so the scene is ready. So let's start. So create avatar. So recipe, we're gonna use the girl one that already has the gun holster. Let's give her a name. Let's say Police Girl 2. Okie dokie. So well, actually, behavior is gonna have like the physics scripts is not ready yet, but I placed the space here. Animator. Oh my God, actually forgot. What we're gonna do today is use a custom animator. So we're using props animation. It's a really cool asset. It's available in the asset store. It has tons of animators, and we're gonna use this one, movement controller. Let's clone it. Let's put it in the asset. Let's change the name to my controller. Let's open it. Okay. Actually, we're not going to use the jump today. The normal blend tree. We're not going to use these variables, but please note them. And what we're going to do now, we're going to implement, actually, we'll have to do this again. We're going to create 3 states. This state we'll call with gun. We're going to implement the state reload. This one we'll call it reload state. And we'll have a fire state, fire weapon, yeah, like that. Okay, let's look for the animations. Pistol, so this one is the reload, so pistol reload. This one is gonna be pistol fire, actually, yeah. This one is gonna be pistol ready. It's gonna be a really funny animation, but it's gonna show the idea. That's what I'm interested in. So make transition, make one transition back. When we are having a gun, we can reload, and we can fire. Okay, so let's add the variables. So let's add a boolean. This one is called reload. This one is called fire. And this is a trick for the moment. It's going to be a permanent trick. You'll be able to reuse it. This, as you're probably already familiar from the videos, is the same name we had in the for the item type gun. So yeah, and it's spelled lowercase exactly the same way. And that's the idea. So this transition, we're gonna do it if gun becomes true. We're gonna get back from there if gun becomes false. We're gonna once we're with a gun, we're gonna reload when the reload variable becomes true. We're gonna leave the exit normal, and we're gonna fire the weapon when the fire becomes true. And yeah, that's it. So that will be our animator. Okay, so now let's start again. Actually, I'm sorry. Refresh should be able to do this, but well, I didn't have time to fix that. So you'll actually need to remove and do a complete create human environment for the wizard to redetect this new controller we just did. I'm sorry. I'm gonna have that with a special button, more proper way. Okay, so now we've got everything ready in place again. So again, create avatar. We're gonna select the girl. We're gonna say, gonna type please girl 2. I placed 2 because I think I already have a please girl there somewhere. Behaviors, none jet. Now we're gonna use my controller, the ones we just created. Controller. We're gonna enable this. Basically, the reset values. Oh well, not the reset. We actually need to put something here. Let's put the left click mouse left click. My God, there it is. Mouse 0 and no jump, not crouch, reload. Let's go with the R. The settings here, of course, must match the ones you have in your controllers and in the other scripts. Well, let's leave the action button as E. We're actually not using it. For the prop animations we're using now, you need to press animations in place. This actually depends on the animations, but have nothing to do with Uma or the wizard. Just the animations you have available. So in this case, we need to press animations in place. Okay, that one is ready. Inventory. Yeah, let's load the inventory. I place this tags. So this one already has a gun and it has already the positions. I made that in edit mode. Actually, you need to design that in edit mode. But once you have it, like you know it's working, you don't need to redesign it again. The inventory just have the slot firearm. We do need to add this one manually, and well, it was already gun assigned. Auto pickup, and since we have the controller here enabled, we're getting this last option of using the controller for selecting the items. If we actually disable this, you won't get that one, and we'll use the item selector script as we have done previously. But since we are actually using this one, this is the one we're going to use. And we're not going to use the third-person camera this time. So yeah, controller, inventory, and create. Okie dokie. So play, and let's see what happens. Okay, so there's our avatar. I'm using the mouse right now because I think you're unable to see the mouse pointer, but probably judging by the way she moves, you'll know I'm actually using the mouse. If I press the lateral movement now, it works. So that's normal one. Now I'm gonna. Oh yeah, that's the nice, well, awfully looking gun holster I made. It's available on the slot. I was testing. I was testing something that I'll comment on the forum, and it worked. Okay, so yeah, there's the holster for the gun. So now I'm pressing 1. Now I'm pressing the R for reload. Now I'm clicking. I'm clicking again. I'm pressing 1. Okay. If you actually select the avatar we just made and press select avatar, and well, go all the way to scripts, you will see that we have the item manager in place. Well, as we have been doing it previously, you'll see we have the inventory in place, and what we just did was to be able to actually let's add this one. Was to be able to configure everything from the create menu. So that was actually cool. Avatar. Well, actually, the movement you just saw requires some skeletal adjustment, but we won't talk about that right now. And you can see the shooter controller one is there. Okay, that one was in order to show you. So let's take Police Girl 2 out of the way. Leave her there, and let's create a new one. So new one. So this one's gonna be Police Girl 3. We'll choose the one with the holster. Well, actually, let's get female. Was she too skinny? Well, anyway, let's get her female. The animator. We're gonna use the same one, my controller one. We're gonna use this one. Animations in place, and yeah, we need to do this again. Damn, mouse 0. I'll have an XML file to store this stuff on the next update. Okay, mouse 0, and reload is going to be DR. R, yeah, got it. That's my dog sleeping. Inventory, once again, and once again, and auto pickup, and just controller. And now we're going to use the third-person camera. Let's reset it, and yeah. Actually, let's enable camera zoom and press create and press play. I think we're missing something. Yeah, the holster. Sorry, I need to actually edit Police Girl 3. So let's edit Police Girl 3 because we missed the holster mesh. I placed it here. Here it is. Add. Holster, yeah. So now she got the holster. Well, yeah, just leave it like that. Remember that since it was a mesh, you actually need to save this. Police Girl 3, yeah. So, yeah, that's it. So, let's try it again. Play. Okay, there's a holster, and that's the custom animation. Yeah, and I press forward. I move the mouse. Oh, you can see the other avatar we created a while ago. And let's get the gun. Let's press 1. Oh, I know what I forgot. Damn it. Unfortunately, we'll have to delete her and do it again. I forgot something. Yeah, let's yeah, just leave a new avatar, animator, my controller. Enable this. Animations in place. Fire button. I forgot something and was enabling number 1 as the slot. 0, reload. Inventory, and what I forgot was this. Yeah, no pick up user controller gameplay. Yeah, it's fine. Create, play. Since I have the free version, it takes a while. Okay, so now let's get the gun. Now she has the gun. Press 1, and there you go. Yeah. Let's click, boom, boom, boom. Well, of course you need adjustment for the hands. R for reloading. Let's put the gun away, and yeah, you can rotate. And I need to make this change for her to do it like smoothly. All the scripts are in alpha as best, so please be patient. It's just for quick testing. So that was the idea. Thank you for watching.